The fundamental frequency of wire stretched by 2 kg weight is 100 Hertz. Fundamental frequency, say fundamental frequency of wire, we denote that fundamental frequency by N. So, N is equal to 100 Hertz. And what is the tension in the wire? Tension in the wire, T is equal to 2 kg weight. T is equal to what? 2 kg weight. Now, the weight required means T dash equal to question mark. The weight required to produce its octave means N dash is equal to 2N. Meaning of octave means double. So, what tension is applied to the wire so that it will produces a frequency which is double that of its fundamental frequency. Octave means double that of fundamental frequency. So, the weight required to produce its octave means the new frequency of vibrating string is double that of the fundamental frequency. We know what is the formula for fundamental frequency of vibrating string? Fundamental frequency of vibrating string is N is equal to 1 upon 2L under root of T divided by M, where T is the tension in the string, M is linear density of the string, that is mass per unit length. Now, since M and L they are constant, here what you can say that frequency is directly proportional to square root of tension. Frequency is directly proportional to square root of tension, therefore, N dash is directly proportional to square root of T dash. Now, take the ratio of these two, therefore, N dash upon N is equal to under root of T dash upon T. N dash upon N is equal to under root of T dash upon T. But what is N dash? Here N dash is 2 times N. 2 times N means 2 into 100, or the new frequency it is 200 Hertz. New frequency is what? 200 Hertz. So, N dash is 200 upon N. Fundamental frequency is 100 Hertz, and that is equal to under root of T dash divided by what is the tension? It is a 2 kg weight. It is what? 2 kg weight. So, here zeros get cancelled, and taking square on both sides, we have 4 is equal to T dash divided by 2 kg weight. T dash divided by 2 kg weight. Therefore, T dash, the new weight required, is equal to 4 into 2, that is equal to 8 kg weight. So, 4 into 2, that is what? 8 kg weight. So, out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option B is the correct option for this question.